Yeah, what's going on, guys? This is your boy Jay, back at it again here with the Crimson Camry. I got my doors open and stuff right now. Before we get into it, I just want to go ahead and give a shout out to all of my subscribers, all my fans, followers, or whatever you want to call you guys. Shout out to you guys. I just reached 100 subscribers yesterday. And I think I'm like 330 followers on Instagram. That's what's up, man. I'm not really the type to care about the numbers of how many followers and subscribers I have. As I always say, if you guys decide to subscribe, that's up to you. I appreciate the support no matter what. So today what we're going to do is install these floor mats by LASFIT into my car. Just give you guys a review of them on why I'm installing them and see, if you want to purchase them yourself. I think that these floor mats are like 100 times better than the regular floor mats that Toyota gives you inside your Camry. So no nonsense, guys. Let's go ahead and get into it so you guys see what we're working with. All right. Not too bad. Kind of heavy. Probably better if I had two hands. Oh, there we go. All right, there's floor mats. Nothing else inside the box. I went ahead and took out my floor mats already, except for my driver's one, because I was driving home. I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to take the floor mats. Make sure they're, I think this is vertical. No, this is horizontal. Make sure they're horizontal before you take them out. Right. So here we got is the LASFIT floor mats. LASFIT is a company that creates floor mats and lighting for all vehicles, such as headlights, fog lights, daytime running lights, interior lights, trunk light, license plate light, anything you can think of. The door light right there, even though that's not a light, but just so to speak, all lighting make it go in your car, tail lights, the reverse lights, everything. So anyway, they specialize in their floor mats too, and the floor mats, whatever is for your car, they specifically designed for that car. As you can see, they're like, it's nice. Like, these are top tier for real. One thing I want to say about the original Camry OEM Toyota floor mats, is that after a while of having them, washing them and pressure washing and scrubbing them and stuff like that, the floor mats start to get a little dingy. It's not, the texture to this compared to the texture to this is not even a comparison right now. Show you my other ones. My other ones right here, they're starting to cave in a little bit. See, with the LASFIT, you're not going to have that problem. This side right here is pretty thick. Trying to find the right wording for you guys, and it even comes with the middle part for your passengers in the back. So that way, personally, me, I rarely have anybody in the back of my car, passengers sitting in the back. I think I had like 1 or 2 times, and when I did have that 1 or 2 times, they left dirt on my carpet. You know what I'm saying? I'm not, I didn't come at them at that, but I saw the dirt and everything. I was like, oh, that's kind of annoying. You know what I'm saying? So, I had to wash it a little bit, stuff like that. Dirty shoes, muddy shoes, stuff like that with the winter and everything. So, this is a great investment, honestly. So, what I mean, they're specifically designed. So, if you go ahead and stick them in, right? Like, look, like, bro, I didn't even have to do anything. Like, those things slid right in easily. They have the holes for the locks. Go ahead and switch it to vertical, and then it's all good to go, man. Like, look at that. Like, sheesh. Like, you see what I mean? It's specifically designed. It fits all the corners and edges. Yeah, that look good. Now, as for the passenger one, slide in, boom, done. Like, bro, like, it gets no easier than that. Like, I'm not even gonna cap, bro. Like, when I put my OEM Toyota ones back in there, I always have a hard time of trying to fit them in there. They get stuck to the carpet. I gotta bend and twist and turn and stuff like that to get them in correctly. But as for these LASFIT, and then this part right here, this is the part I'm most excited about. is this middle part. So I'm trying to do this with one hand, guys. Bear with me. Look at that. Boom. Wow. Wow. Perfect fit. Wow. Okay. I started to ask myself which one goes to which, but I would assume that the word LASFIT wants to be on the left side. So I'm gonna put it in. Boom. Fit. Ooh, okay. Last one real quick. Boom. Now look at that, guys. Don't mind the mess I have right there or the mess I have right back there, but look how clean that looks. Unbelievable. That's clean as hell. Quick view for the driver's side again. Yeah, that looks really good, guys. And one thing I really like about these mats is that they're dust proof, waterproof. You get rocks or anything inside, all you have to do is pick up the mat, shake it out, put it back in. It's easy to dry. You can spill some water on it, take it, it spills right off. You know what I'm saying? These mats are amazing. So that's really all I have for you guys. If you're interested in purchasing these mats for yourself, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, plus a discount code for you guys to get 10% off these mats and anything else that's on LASFIT that you like. Like, for example, my inner headlights right here aren't amber anymore. I can show you what I mean. So my inner headlights aren't amber. I have LASFIT switchbacks in there, so pretty much this is what you're going to get. Okay, those right there are a really good investment. It gives you that clean look across the board. As you can see, clean. All right, but yeah, I'm gonna leave a link inside the description. I'm gonna leave a discount code inside the description, and we're gonna go from there. If you guys like them, you know what I'm saying? Hey now. So as always, guys, you know, if you like this video and you want to see more content of Jay and his Crimson Camry here, feel free to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm on all the Facebook groups, the Toyota groups, Camry groups and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm doing this for you guys. You know what I'm saying? This is for the Camry community. I'm trying to help you guys out. So just, you know, modding my car, changing things, and just showing you how I'm doing it, and just, you know, follow the journey if you like what you see. So all right, so peace out, guys. Stay tuned to the next video. See ya.